Hi everybody, and welcome back to Willing Towards Success. My name is Danielle Wheeler for all you newcomers, and welcome to Willing Towards Success. So in a previous video, I talked about PMS and how real it is, because it's real, ladies. Yes, it is. And how cramps is one of those side effects of PMS. Sorry. And what I want to talk to you about today now is healthy ways to, I'm not going to say relieve cramps completely, but to the point where it's bearable. Because to be honest, I don't think you can ever have a menstrual cycle and not experience cramps, in my opinion. Potassium stops you from retaining water and feeling bloated. Not enough potassium causes muscle cramping. So here are a few of my favorite fruits and vegetables that contain potassium. And as you can see, this list going down are other options as well. But banana is one. I always make a banana shake before I go to the gym to stop with cramping. And I love spinach and broccoli. I literally eat it like every day with everything. So thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope that helped. And I will see you next time. Bye.